Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to sign up for HyperWallet. To sign up for HyperWallet, first of all open a web browser of your choice. Now go to the URL box at the top and type in pay.hyperwallet.com and search. Soon after you do that, you will end up in the official website for HyperWallet. HyperWallet is a global payout platform that enables businesses to send payments to individuals worldwide. It is used by companies to distribute earnings such as freelance payments, royalties, or other types of compensation to people in different countries. In order to sign up for HyperWallet, from the sign-in page, click on the Activate Account button. Now, enter your email address or Pay Portal ID in the text box. After typing in your email or your portal ID, click on Continue. After entering your email and clicking on Continue, follow through the on-screen instructions. You will need to provide personal information such as your name, email address, phone number, and addresses. HyperWallet may request documents for identity verification such as government-issued ID or proof of address to comply with regulations. You will also need to select a payout method like bank transfer, prepaid card, PayPal, or other available options. Follow through the instruction and submit the required information to complete your account activation or setup. Once your account is verified, you can start receiving payments through HyperWallet. So that's how you sign up for HyperWallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.